All right, you guys, we are now in Sam Club. They got this music on. They got little Joe right there dancing. Ava right there. Her and her head tie, y'all. She absolutely loves wearing her head tie all the time. But the one she has is ripped, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop at the beauty supply store next to get her a new head tie. But yeah, so we're officially at Sam Club trying to get some items that we need that needs to be replaced in the house. So join us. You guys comment down below and let me know if your homeschoolers are going to the father-daughter dance. Do you guys do that every single year? And if so, if you live in Texas, in Houston in specific, which one are you guys going to? So if I can get them to go to more than one, we're gonna absolutely do that. So let me know. They have gone to the one in Missouri City before. And then I see that San Marcos is having one. So I don't know if we're gonna do it here, there. I'm gonna check out the Houston to see if they're gonna have one locally where we live on the outskirts of Houston. But yeah, so right now we are registered to go to the one next month. So that's exciting for them. I am going to expect for them to record the whole thing for me and have an amazing time. Obviously, it's father-daughters, so I won't be there. You guys, if you don't already know, you guys can get a membership at Sam Club for $20 for the entire year. And so that's what a lot of people are doing right now, because if you like to buy your items in bulk, then this is what you want to do. So, excuse me. So if you guys are looking for books for your homeschoolers, not just reading books, but also activity books, they have those here. Let me try to find them for you guys. Oh, look, they have the Dogman collection right there. She loves reading different collections. Let me see if I can show you guys some of the homeschool books. Let's see. Oh my gosh, so I'm not seeing them. Ooh, what is this? They have a lot of different clearance items. Oh, this is Bluey. Look. I know most of your kids are into Bluey. They have these on sale for $6.81. Ooh, they have it in pink too, girls, look. Ooh. They have a pink one and a blue one. I wonder if it comes with matching pants. Who is Chloe and Coco?
Chloe, Coco.
Oh, okay. These are cute. I wonder if they have you girls' sizes, and I wonder if they have matching pants or if it's just a sweater. Let's see. Oh, they have like a Cars one too. I don't think they come with any pants. I think it's literally just a sweater. Over here, they have these shirts here. They're $4.87 for little cute little girly shirts. And then I saw that over here they had the yellow tag, meaning it's on sale. So I'm just trying to see what they have on sale. So they have the socks on sale. Oh, these are all socks. So if you need some socks for yourself or your homeschoolers, they have socks on sale here. All right, 1, 2, 3. That looks like a tie. That looks like a tie. I don't know. From back here, it looks like a tie.
You race?
No, I'm not racing right now. Okay, so one of the first things I need are some paper plates. As you guys know, I use the paper plates in my house because I like to cut down on dishes, but not that size. I don't like getting a really big plate because I feel like it almost makes you feel like you have to fill up the whole plate and then you end up eating more, and I ain't got time for that. This is 2025 and I gotta lose my weight. I gotta reverse. I gotta reverse my diabetes, so I ain't got time for that. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we'll get these for $12.50. They're $12.53. Right now it's $3 off for this one. Let's see how many plates are here. 115 plates. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. I already have plastic utensils at home, so I don't need to buy any utensils at all today. And I literally forgot that I even needed plates, so I'm happy that I decided to like walk around this area, because you know how it is sometimes when you're shopping, you forget what you need until you walk past it, and then you're like, oh yeah, that's right, I do need that. So literally that's what just happened to me. I don't know if your kids are into those little squishies or plushies, but they do have those here too.
Akari.
Yes, she is. Akari, their cousin, absolutely love those little squishies. All right, girls, let's go and get...
Did we get this one?
No, we're not getting that one. Now let's go and grab some groceries. We're gonna start in the back at the water section. All right, it's time for me to put my homeschoolers to work. Ava, how about you put your sister down and pick up one of these cases of water?
Yes, Mother.
Let's do the small bottles. Yeah.
Yes, Mother.
Abby. Oh, Abby got it. Okay, well, put it in there. We just need one. We don't need 2 cases. Okay, Abby's showing that 9-year-old strength. I didn't even know she had that kind of strength. Usually I let Ava lift the heavier items, but look at Abby growing up, my baby. I'm gonna start off by grabbing us some bell peppers. So if you get the green pack is $4.97 for 6. And if you get the colorful one, the variety pack, that's $6.72. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the green pack, because last time I came I got the colorful pack. So I'm gonna get 2 of those. So I got these 2 here. Let's see. Next up, I'm gonna grab some cucumbers. So I'm gonna get these. We love eating cucumbers sometimes just as a snack, and sometimes I'll use it to make like a little salad. I'm gonna get these. They have these kiwis, they're on sale for $3.41. Usually they're $6.45. So this is gonna be our fruit. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of these for our fruit for the next few days. All right, Ava, can you push the cart?
Yes, Mother.
Thank you. So next, we are going to get the turkey bacon. That's by February 27th. Got the turkey bacon. Okay, so I promised my homeschoolers the next time we came back here, we would get some of this queso fresco, because they did samples last time and we really enjoyed it. So I said, we'll get some of this and we'll have it with breakfast. It says, hold on, wait, girls. 1 ounce is about 80 calories, which is totally fine. Okay, am I forgetting anything?
You forgave the cupcakes, you forgave the cake, you forgave the cookies, you forgave the sweets.
I ain't forgetting no cake or cupcakes, no cookies, no sweets.
Chocolate milk mix.
Hold on, let me think. Oh, let me just see. I'm thinking about maybe getting a little bit more eggs for Dad, and then we're done. So, girl, ain't nobody getting no chocolate milk. Nothing sweet, and I mean it. So lastly, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to grab some eggs. And we have these here for $5.52 for, how much is in here? See how much eggs is in that one?
18.
Okay, so that 18. So let's go ahead and get those. Ooh, Lord Jesus, is cold. Make sure none of them are broken. Anytime you get eggs, you always want to look at all of them. Make sure none of them are broken, okay? All right, go ahead and put those in. Yes.
I put this on.
Right. It's cold as heck up in here. All right, so they're gonna go ahead and scan our items. Last time we came, they accidentally scanned one item twice, and so we had to get help. So let's do it right this time, girls. 1 at a time.
We both want to do the cheese.
Okay, 1 at a time. Hey, when you guys are scanning, try to be more organized so you don't jump all over the place, because you guys, this is the only other thing in the cart, are the bell peppers, but you guys passed it to go up there, which doesn't make any sense.
It's just like going
No, let's finish the bottom section first.
Yes, Mother. Scan those 2 packs.
Right. And then there should be nothing else. Did you guys do the eggs yet?
No. Did we?
I don't see it. Go ahead, scan it. Let me see. No, we didn't. You did the bacon already.
You can do what I'll do it, and you can do the other.
And then Abby, you also do the kiwis. Just once, Abby, that's it.
There's two.
Oh, no, go ahead. I thought that Ava scanned one, then you scanned one. No, you just scanned it twice, Abby. You did it again. You did it again. So now we are at the beauty supply store. This is literally one of the biggest ones I've ever been to. We're gonna grab some braiding here because I'm gonna comb my daughter's hair. And then what else do we need from here? Oh, and then Ava needs a new head tie because as you guys can see, hers is torn. So you guys, we finally made it home. This is the mess I'm looking at. I know you guys are like, girl, you just did a deep clean. What the heck? This is all laundry we just did yesterday. Usually we do laundry once a week. So I got to put laundry away. I just went to Sam Club, as you guys know. So that's just my groceries from Sam Club. And then my bed. This is the bag from the beauty supply store. Leftovers from IHOP. And then my backpack goes down there. So I'm going to go ahead, put this on fast mode, and let's get to cleaning, y'all. All right, you guys, so we're done cleaning. As you guys see me make the bed, the dining room area, kids area. The kitchen, we didn't have any dishes because as you guys know, we went to IHOP, so we didn't have any dishes. And then, like I told you guys, Abby had a stomach flu or something. I don't know, some sort of virus or something. So she's not really hungry again. I'm not hungry again. So yeah, we'll probably eat a little bit later if anything, but I'm literally still full from breakfast. Like, all that protein really keeps you full super long. Let me show you guys what we end up getting from the beauty supply store. All right, you guys, so from the beauty supply, I got some braiding hair because I'm going to be braiding our hair. And then Ava got a new head tie. Like I told you guys, the one she has is torn, and she has sewed it up once and it just unraveled. So I'm like, you know what, girl, it is time for a new head tie. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at all the sparkles. Oh my goodness. So go ahead, try it on. Let's see how it looks. Yes, don't worry guys, we're going to wash and comb her hair. So it's super messy today, but we haven't got around to it because, like I told you guys, it's been super cold, and I just didn't want to like wet it and then she gets sick. Oh, Took, you look super beautiful. You gotta pull it up some though, like pull it down onto your forehead. I mean, turn to the side. That's pretty. All right, you guys, so I didn't record any homeschool stuff today. This is literally the end of the video. I'm exhausted, so I'm about to go ahead, take a shower, and we are going to knock out. This is the end of our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you in the next one.